did it again on the couch and choked me and told me to give it to him, give me his phone, and all I had to do was give him his phone and he would leave.
When marriages crumble, homes are no longer havens of peace.
And then at any point were like you trying to push him away from you?
Oh yeah, and he called my dad at one.
The white dude ain't nowhere to go. All I'm trying to get is direction, and his punk ass up here getting mad at me.
When rules and order are tested by the defiant.
You're gonna go to jail if you don't leave.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Just tell him.
Oh, please don't kill me.
Seconds from going to jail.
I have want
need
named
to leave.
this woman and I sue her.
And when someone crowns themselves with power merely by claiming the title of customer, everything is laid bare before the lens.
Said he hates that.
And is your daughter home?
No.
On November 19th, 2023, officers rushed to respond to a domestic violence incident in the dead of night. What seemed under control soon unveiled shadows no one could have anticipated.
She was just irate about some stuff. Okay. And so she struck me in the car when we were driving. Okay. Trying to jump out of the vehicle. I'm like, do not jump out of the vehicle. Struck me a couple times. I tried to basically calm her down. Okay. Where she hit you at? Well, she hit me in the face, but scratched my arm. Okay. Scratched my forearm. And that's all. Yeah, that's that's right there, and then that's there. I tried to call her dad just to come pick her up. Okay.
What's going on?
I didn't know he could.
Okay, so what's going on?
We get mad by sometimes and then he hits me after I talk back. And then he's like,
You want to go inside?
sure. I mean, it doesn't matter. I don't want to do any of this, actually.
Okay.
I don't want to do any of this.
I know that you don't want to do anything, but we're here now, so we kind of have to
I know, because
figure out what's going on.
Suspicion flared as conflicting testimonies emerged. The husband claimed he was assaulted by his wife, while she insisted he was the aggressor. Truth and lies intertwined, leaving a foggy void with no clear answer.
All right, so were you guys out tonight?
Yeah, we were out and we
Okay.
had a few drinks. And
Okay.
sometimes it gets a little crazy. He
Okay.
hit me more than usual tonight.
Okay.
And I have like a little fat lip, which, it happens.
Okay. No, it doesn't happen.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. That's not the way it works. Not in a healthy relationship. You know that.
I have a daughter.
I understand.
She's
Okay.
which is usual. And
Okay.
then he said, you're stupid. And I said, don't talk to me like that. Like, you can't speak to me like that.
Mm-hmm.
And it just progressed, but he usually doesn't hit me so hard like this. He's not a bad guy or anything.
Okay, so you guys were arguing in the closet, and that's when he started punching you.
Well, he hit me when we were in the car, and then once we got home, I was like, don't speak to me like that. You can't speak to me like that. And, he hits me a little bit here and there, but tonight it progressed where it's a little bit more than usual.
Okay.
He used closed fists always.
Okay. Did he have anything inside of his...
Oh, no. He never... We don't do that kind of stuff.
Okay.
No. Oh, God, no. We're nice white people.
Okay.
But I'm Spanish, and he hates that.
The suspect insisted her husband frequently abused her, presenting herself as the victim. Yet, if her story were entirely true, the puzzling fact remained. The police had never received a single distress call from her.
Right.
Which I was like, no, but
Right.
I feel like my lip is fatter than it usually is.
Okay. And then at any point were you trying to push him away from you?
Oh, yeah,
or...
yeah, and he called my dad at one point.
Okay. Do you happen to have your ID on you, sweetie?
Yeah,
or is
of
it in your
course.
purse out here?
Yeah, no, I have my ID.
Okay. Because I saw your purse out there, so
Oh, was it out there?
Yeah, I'll grab it for you.
So how did she get the thing on her lip?
The bang on the lip?
Yeah.
I think she just got her lips done. She gets cosmetic stuff, but the bang on the lip is from when I hit the...
Everything cool out here? I can go with my
I hit the brakes when she smacked me in the face, and then she hit the dashboard. Oh, she punched me in the face, and then I hit the brakes, but apparently she had disrobed to take her seatbelt off, so she went forward, and then it hit her lip.
You dumb white people.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
And I want you to know, dumb white people have issues like this too.
Yeah, I know. I was in a domestic issue with my wife, and I ended up divorcing her. So
Why did you divorce her?
The wife claimed the bruise was from her husband's assault, while the husband said she had slammed her face into the car because she wasn't wearing a seatbelt. However, her attempts to hide the truth only raised more suspicion against her.
What kind of money can I give you for this to not go anywhere?
there's no money. That's not how this works.
Just leave a lot of cash.
Okay.
Right.
There's
No,
the
no,
law
no.
that's
Yeah.
take a seat for us, all right? And then as soon as we're done with this investigation, we'll
You
figure it
do
out.
this.
Back up, back up.
You kept slamming the door, honey. But there was a lot of striking on the way home. I'm like, just calm down, we'll call your parents.
And how that happened to your arm, if you don't mind me asking?
When she hit me.
What do you mean? How she hit you?
Well, when she hit me.
Okay, when she hit you.
Yes.
Did she hit you with something?
Just probably her hand and jewelry was on her hand or something, I don't know. I mean, what she didn't hit me with something, but she hit me in the car, and so...
So you were blocking?
Yes, I'm blocking.
Okay.
Yes,
Do
I mean,
you think
that's...
that could have been...
So, listen, this is,
And that's blood on your...
yeah, probably that's blood, and that's blood right there.
Okay.
And it's, yeah, so that's blood on my arm.
I have to take a picture of your mouth, okay?
Oh no, don't
I
do
have
that.
to.
No, I don't want
I
you
have
to do
to.
that. I don't want you to do
How do
that.
you take photos?
I'm trying.
No, I don't
She's
want.
not letting me.
No.
Alright, I just need to speak with her.
Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
We're very nice Christian people.
When attempts at bribery failed, the suspect immediately revealed a surge of agitation. Meanwhile, the husband with bloodied arms remained silent. Choosing not to press charges today could prove to be a mistake tomorrow.
Want a drink?
No, I'm okay.
Alright. Sorry.
Let me read you these. So these are the Miranda warnings. I have to read you these. Make sure you understand.
Your Miranda rights.
Yep.
You want a drink, and he got more defensive than usual, and you're probably bored because you're like these fucking rich white people that have so much better things to do.
No, not at all.
Yes, you are.
I'm here for a service. Could you continue, please?
Yeah, I know, but I'm so sad that your service is being wasted on this fucking bullshit.
Sir, we just want to make sure that everybody is safe.
We're safe.
Okay.
We're
Could you
fine.
continue what happened?
Oh,
please?
yes.
What happened?
Does she happen to ever get lip injections?
Yes.
Okay.
Time.
Okay. Did
And
she
she
get
just
one
got that.
recently?
Yeah, I think I'm not sure, but she does get
Okay.
lip injected. She said that her lip was swollen here, and she claims it's when I struck her.
Okay.
It's, I think, when she went forward and hit the dash. Nonetheless, it's all reprehensible. So.
But then as soon as you swing back at him, you have to run and hide. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I just go to bed? I want all this to go to bed. I want all this to go to bed.
Okay. And that's all that happened.
I mean, look at me. I don't look terrible, right?
And did he hit your cheeks or anything?
No.
Your eye?
I think just here. A bunch. I think I hit 3 or 4 times tonight.
3 or 4 times.
It wasn't bad. This.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, of course it hurt. My lip is swollen, but.
From a level of 1 to 10, the
A
force
5
of the
or
pain.
6.
5 or 6.
5 or 6. The thing that scares me the most is just the fear of what's going to happen next.
I was trying to be kind of calm, cool, and collected, but then I would obviously react to her reactions. So, while I did not want to start this path, it's...
Her contradictory statements, examined alongside injuries in the husband's account, exposed a troubling truth. Increasingly, it became clear she was the one abusing him.
We just would like to go to bed. If we can pay you
Do me a favor. Just turn around for me. I'm going to walk you out.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
So it's going to be, you're getting arrested for domestic battery. All right? Charlie for one detained.
Do you have any shoes? Like
Yeah, I got
sandals?
shoes. Yeah, I got shoes. Oh my
Right,
god.
I'm gonna walk out there.
Yep.
Yeah, no.
You got sandals right here.
This is good too.
Alright, step in.
This is good too. Women, again. It's good.
Excuse me, could you lean back for me, please?
Absolutely.
You have a total of 5 rings.
And I'm sitting here. This is awesome. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Ultimately, the wife was arrested on charges of domestic violence. She could face up to 1 year in prison, probation, and a $1,000 fine. However, her claims were dismissed in court, as no formal charges had been filed against the husband. From fractured homes hiding unseen turmoil to public spaces where order is relentlessly tested, these moments lay bare the truths we often overlook. On August 3, 2023, at a Florida airport, police officers were called to handle disturbances caused by a woman. She continuously caused a scene and shouted loudly. What seemed resolved soon escalated in ways no one expected.
Ma'am. Now this is the police here. Somebody's gonna help me now. He's mad because they not doing their job. I just paid $189 to skip TSA. I just missed my flight. My flight is at 7 o'clock. I've been trying to get to my flight. Nobody's helping me. She said, go down here. What's the white dude? The white dude left. Ain't nowhere to go. All I'm trying to get is direction, and his punk ass up here getting mad at me because I'm trying to get to my damn flight. You ain't getting to your flight. I'm not your daughter. Don't talk to me crazy.
Ma'am, calm down.
He gonna say, I didn't say I was gonna slap you. That wasn't directed towards you.
Ma'am.
If the shoe fit, wear it.
Ma'am.
I wasn't directing it towards you.
Ma'am, come on, let's.
You could get slapped.
Ma'am, let's walk over here. Let me help you. What airline? Ma'am.
Go to my flight. I
Okay,
gotta get to
you
my
missed it.
flight.
You missed it. We're gonna come here, ma'am. You need to step out.
A
Ma'am.
gun or what?
Ma'am.
Don't scare nobody. I wasn't
Ma'am.
talking to you.
Ma'am.
Do your job.
Ma'am.
You don't like your job, quit.
Ma'am, I'm here to help you.
Okay, love it with a smile.
Ma'am,
The
help you. Step
you
out
don't
here.
even know me.
Ma'am, step out here. What's your first name?
Y'all know somebody's gonna refer me,
Ma'am.
or I will be happy
Listen.
with a smile on my
Ma'am.
face. Going to jail.
Listen to me, okay? That's the last thing you want.
Entitlement.
That is the last thing you want to do.
How is it the last thing y'all want to do? Ain't nobody helping me.
I'm trying to help you, but you're yelling. Stop yelling. Talk to me. Let me help you.
Okay,
Because if you don't let me help you,
you don't gotta scream at me.
You're screaming at me.
Okay, if I'm frustrated, it's not good for you to be frustrated. I don't care. Don't none of y'all scare me. That gun and shit, that badge don't scare me. So you can stop screaming at my face.
From the start, the woman displayed aggression, hurling insults and screaming because her demands weren't met. Despite officers patiently trying to calm and assist her, she loudly claimed they were threatening her.
So now, whoa. No, you're fine. No.
Go ahead.
Listen, just to let you know, I don't know if Frontier has flights that fly every hour or so. So I just want to let you know. Keep in mind that the next flight to Philadelphia could be tomorrow, could be the next day, all right? But listen to me, okay? Now that we're calmed down, okay, I am sorry that TSA did not treat you the way you need to be treated, but this attitude is not going to get you anywhere.
If you just pay $189 and they telling you gotta go over there to verify information and shit like that, and nobody is helping you, I asked the lady, my son, I said, can you help me? She looked at me, she said, no.
What kind of information they need to verify?
You don't have your driver's license?
No, I lost my driver's license, but I got my debit card and everything else.
So what they do is they make you do what's called secondary. Did you do the phone thing?
And I was fine with that.
Okay.
But they didn't help me. They didn't tell me. I'm like, where do I need to go? Where do I go?
Oh, for the phone thing?
No, when I had just paid, they took my debit card, she swiped it, they packed her card, boom. And then she said, go over there so you can verify your information. I said, go over where? Nobody was helping me. I asked the old lady, I said, where am I supposed to
Yeah, we're walking this passenger to the front
She
here.
said, help me, and nobody is helping me.
That's what we're trying to do here.
I'm going to get my money back. I don't care what none of y'all said. I'm getting my money back.
All right, so just to let you know, She doesn't have ID. She was trying to do a secondary ID. Apparently, TSA supposedly heard because all she does is yelling.
Well, that's obvious. I heard her all the way down there.
Yeah, so she said they were not helping. They're being racist. So now she wants to cut in front of the line because now she wants her money back. She doesn't want to fly.
You just cut the line.
Yeah, she just cut the line. So just to let you know.
Her attitude and aggressive behavior were precisely why she failed to receive the help she needed. She couldn't stay quiet long enough to be assisted. In truth, nearby passengers that day were luckier than they realized.
I just gave her a refund.
So it was you. Well, TSA didn't charge her, right? It was you guys.
Yeah, we
Okay.
rebooked her.
You rebooked her.
But she still don't have an ID. So when they went to do her additional screening, because apparently when she became irate,
Okay.
So they're going to refuse to let her through. So I just gave her a refund.
TSA refused her?
Yeah, they called me.
I just feel like I wasn't treated fairly with this whole situation.
Well, that has nothing to do with us.
Are you aware that TSA? I think they did ban you. Are you aware of that?
TSA banned me where?
Well, TSA is like the thing you have to do before you fly in a plane, and you've been banned from that. I don't know if they let you know that.
How did they ban me?
Well, they put you on a list, so.
Somebody higher up over here.
Well, that's the airport people. That's not here.
What?
That's the airport property. That's
Do you even do that TSA stuff? That's not your thing, right?
That's a TSA issue. That's not us.
Okay, so where's the number? Where's the person?
Come on over here out of line so they can take care of those people.
Somewhere to go. You're banned from TSA, so you can't fly through here. You can go to another airport, okay?
I'm not banned from TSA. I have not gotten any written document. It was just verbal. It has to be written. If y'all banning me for anything, trespassing or anything, it has to be on document.
So you want to go down that trespass road?
You can. If y'all want to go down the trespassing road, it's
up
me.
to you.
I didn't threaten y'all.
Alright, you're now being trespassed from the Orlando airport.
Okay, you have to write the document. You have to
I have the document right here.
Okay.
Just when it seemed the incident might be over, she made a critical mistake. She continued her outburst, loudly arguing and cutting in line, demanding a refund. As a result, she was banned from the airport.
Right here.
Okay, you have to have probable cause. What is the probable cause of trespassing?
Causing a disturbance.
That's
Yes.
causing a disturbance.
That's why I asked if you have somewhere to go.
Okay, I'm saying, okay.
Would you like to leave the property on your own, or would you like to leave it in there?
Or is that my First Amendment right for freedom of speech? When somebody said the rule that said I can go in the street, I can take you to the street.
You're trespassing here.
So at this
You're no
point-
longer welcome on airport
Okay,
property.
so at this point, I can
Okay.
call my lawyer, and then y'all can talk to my lawyer about the
call whoever you
trespassing.
like.
Because I'm
Would
not
you like to leave?
I'm not leaving. I'm not.
to leave?
I'm not leaving.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail if you don't leave.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm just telling
Oh, please don't kill me.
I'm not trying to
Hands
try
up,
to
don't
scare
shoot.
you. I'm just
Hands up,
telling
don't
you.
shoot. Hands up, don't
Jason,
shoot.
are you tired?
Like, don't nobody give a about that.
So,
You have to. You
all
can
right,
take me
one
to
more
court.
question.
You can
One-
take me to court. It doesn't
Excuse
mean
me,
that it's gonna fall through. You have to
So,
have
are you
probable cause.
refusing to
You
leave?
have to go to trial.
Are you refusing to leave?
Okay, you
Are
want
you
to talk to my
refusing to
lawyer?
leave?
Let me see the paper. 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 Dumbasses, bunch of dumbass fools. And like how they don't know how they got the underground tunnels in Denver and shit. They be doing all types of shit at these airports.
Are you refusing to leave?
I would like to see the paper that you was presenting to me.
refuse
I have the right to see the paper.
All right, so
that
this
you
right here
presented
is
to me.
your copy.
I have the right to see the paper
She
you
refused.
presented to me.
Which is fine. We'll identify her at the jail. It's not a big deal.
Get her information.
No, we have to get her. We'll get her to jail.
My name is Desire.
Oh, you
That's
want to
not-
provide it?
that's
Oh,
not-
okay.
That is not no.
Well, I appreciate that very much.
Her constant shouting and refusal to listen landed her in trouble with the law. It's ironic that she could call a lawyer to defend herself, yet couldn't stay quiet and comply from the start to avoid the trouble altogether.
Guys, I'm getting arrested. So it's all on camera as well. I have not.
You don't have to. You can leave right there. You wanna go?
This is going to be in the trial.
free to leave
at
right
court.
there.
You saying that I'm being trespassed? What is
You wanna
the point
leave?
say I'm
You wanna go
causing
that
a
way?
disturbance? How am I causing a disturbance?
If you want to walk that way, you can go.
I'm speaking to you. I'm having a conversation to you, and you. That's not causing a disturbance. And I'm loud.
It's time.
It has nothing to do with it.
If you want to start walking, you can. Here, I don't want you to drop your phone.
Here we go. We'll have 10:15.
10-4, 10-15.
Can I call my lawyer?
Yep. When you get to the jail, you can call whoever you want.
Okay, have my purse.
Yep, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Don't grab on me. Don't grab on me.
Don't
grab
do
on me.
this. Don't escalate this. Don't escalate this. Don't escalate this. All right?
Threatening officers that she would film and post online meant nothing. In reality, every officer had their own camera and could release footage far faster than she could ever see justice from jail.
They got me. They got a black woman. They grabbing me tight. They got a black woman. They entitled. They entitled.
You ready?
Make sure y'all get this on camera. You grabbing me, sir, too. I'm gonna let my lawyer attorney know that as well.
Good.
You heard her phone.
What was that?
Do you have your phone?
Yeah, I'm in the middle of something. Hang on 1 second. Good.
Can you stop squeezing my arm?
I hold everyone the same, man. Equal
But
opportunity.
you squeezing my arm. That's
No, I'm
not.
not
Did you
gonna
get
hold
trained to do that? To squeeze the arm?
I'm gonna hold your arm.
Okay.
Equal opportunity.
So is that on your? Is your recording thing is on?
Oh yeah, that's it.
Okay, so that's going to show in court that I'm asking you to stop squeezing my arm.
I'm holding
and you.
you.
Continue to squeeze my arm.
Holding you.
You squeezing my arm.
The only thing hurt is your feelings right now.
No,
That's
nothing. My feelings can never be hurt. Hurt about what?
I apologize if I hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, okay? I apologize.
Can I be released?
Can you be released?
Yes.
Well, earlier when I asked if you wanted to leave property, that's the opportunity for you to walk away.
You're not going anywhere. And then you just,
I said I wanted to talk to someone here.
you did.
I
And then
wanted
you
to talk
said
to
we
the
told you to
higher
leave and you refused to leave.
I gave you an open avenue. I pointed.
We have it on camera with you saying I ain't going anywhere several times, so.
Okay, I have it on
Now
camera
you're going.
too. Can you pull up the video?
Yeah, you can reach out to your attorney.
Go a public records request for it.
Yeah, your attorney that you said you have an attorney or a lawyer. Yeah, so have them reach out.
I'm just trying to
You know, do all that
Can't
stuff.
call it now. They're going to allow you to make a bunch of phone calls.
So I
with
can't
you.
just be released. Can I just go home?
Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest. You can't be released. You had an opportunity to leave.
want to take you to jail, but
Do you think this is what we want to do? You made this decision.
I had to go get my child.
Well, you should have thought about that before.
Okay. Can I go?
No, you can't go.
She kept accusing the officers of harming her, but the only thing truly harmed here was her own emotions. Only now does she realize the seriousness of the situation and begin to think about her child.
In this today's society, it's so up, man. You know what's so crazy? Because I graduated from Full Sail University. I was going to go to Barry University for law. And it's like...
You can still do that.
I'm not... What?
Still do that.
Y'all are pure. Y'all are the enemies. Y'all are the enemies in today's society, and people don't even understand that shit. And I just asked you, we were just in. I just wanted to let you know, I seen the way you looked at me, and I am very protected by my ancestors and spirit guides, and they see the seen and unseen. You gave me the evil eye, sir, and I did nothing but try to talk to you, and you told them to arrest me. You know that guy see the.
No, I said that.
No, you didn't either. It was both of you guys, and you grabbed me the way you grabbed me. What if somebody grabbed your daughter like that? And it might be a joke to you, but this is reality. This is real life. You know what you did to me was wrong, and then
I grabbed your arm and
then
walked you
when
out.
you handcuffed me, you
I
tightened
didn't handcuff you.
Whoever handcuffed me, y'all handcuffed me. Y'all put it on there tight after y'all done handcuffed me. So when y'all walked me out, y'all took the handcuffs and tightened it on me more.
Do you have anything on your ear, like a pin?
No.
Pins, bobby pins? All right, this has to come off, okay?
I'm not in the jail yet. It doesn't have to come off yet.
Yeah, it needs to come off. She's good.
Good?
Yep.
Have a seat. And put her seatbelt on. Let me put it to the other side.
Don't you for 1 second think that's gonna come unnoticed. When I tell you woman.
Ultimately, the woman was arrested for property damage and disturbing the peace. She could face up to $5,000 in fines, 6 months in jail, and a temporary flight ban. From chaotic behavior in public to silent conflicts shattering the picture of a peaceful family, the consequences of losing control are undeniable. On July 21st, 2024, police were dispatched to a domestic violence scene. At first, it seemed the situation could be quietly contained. Yet behind the incident lay developments no one could have anticipated.
Florida,
Hey.
John Mary
What's going on?
Victor 7 Nora, John Mary Victor 7 Nora is going to be a silver Jeep on a number of occupants.
she could come out and talk to you right now.
Okay.
She got kind of physical, you know.
Okay.
She's the one, but she's the one that gets physical.
Okay.
So, like, I don't understand that whatsoever. And she could talk to you.
Hi.
Hey, let's hold on one second. Hey, you want to talk to me over here?
Yeah.
Central 119, 110,
No, I'll just come and talk to you.
Why are you?
So, man, what's going on?
We were having a dispute, man, and she has known issues back in the past. She deals with, and, you know, she's been warded off, and she's been pretty good lately, but lately we have disputes, and she gets violent, you know, and as a man, you try to run from that shit, you know, you don't want to get mixed up with that, but I went to the back, she locked me out the house, I was trying to go into the back, you could tell I opened the screen to go inside, you know, and I told her not to lock me again, you know, I did, you know, and then that's when I told her not to lock me up again, and I got to her face, which I did, and then she felt threatened, which I understood, you know, so.
And you all stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know what happened. She locked the door, and then I heard an ow. I opened the door, and then he was bleeding, so I'm guessing he hit her, you know, she hit him.
The worst part wasn't just that she abused her husband. More shockingly, she locked him out, trapped him outside, and then turned on her own father, causing him to bleed in a tragic scenario.
I did have to get physical with her. What I mean by physical is like pushing her towards her room and away from her dad, you know?
Yeah,
and,
I gotcha.
And it's with the kids, and this sucks.
How many kids you all got together?
2, and then on the way.
Okay.
And that might be part of it, you know, it's also hormonal and all that, but...
Yeah. She taking a medication or anything like that?
No, but she should.
So tell me again how the argument happened.
Because she was upset over something, and it was small, like something small. It always happens with something small. It was something about cleaning or something like that, you know?
Okay.
And then we started arguing, so what I decided to do was step out the house so I wouldn't argue. I was standing next to the Camry. Then I tried to go in. She locked me from the garage. She locked me everywhere. So obviously I was heated. I just wanted to get in my house.
Yeah.
I didn't want to hurt her, but I was heated.
I gotcha.
Back door, I have a lanai. I opened the screen. I just got a broom, you know, poked it open.
Yeah.
Went to the back, and then I told her, like, why you locked me? Don't ever lock me again. I got up to her face, and that's where it started from there. So I'll take part of the blame for the instigating, but I don't want to press charges on her or anything.
So when you came in the house, and then I guess because you were obviously angry that you know, she locked you out. So you said you went to her and then got in her face, and then what happened after that?
And that's when she got scared, you know, and then she's like, back off, and I was like, okay, you know, whatever.
Did she say she was scared?
Well, she said she was scared, and she said she was going to grab a knife or something, which she did, you know, and that's when I was like, she's done it before, and I don't want to say this, I don't want to say she's grabbing knives before, but like, she's done it before, you know?
Yeah.
She's never done it, but it's always in the back of my mind.
Okay. So at any point did you put your hands around her neck or choke her or anything like that?
Well, when I had to pull her out of the room, because she was grabbing on her dad has bruises, I had to pull her away and put her in the room, so I guess I did grab her and put her in the room.
Like from behind?
Yeah, probably, you know?
I got you. Alright.
I don't want to grab her around the belly.
Okay. So what happened?
Well, I was in my room. So they were fighting and stuff, and she just rammed in my door. She wanted me to. That's a baby.
Okay.
She wanted me to call 911. So that's all.
So she broke in your room to pretty much wanted you to call 911.
Yeah, she said he's got my phone. He was trying to call his phone.
We got into it.
I don't know what got into it means.
Like, just arguing about cleaning up. He said, I don't have to clean up right away. I said, yes, I do. I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm busy. And we're bickering. And he got upset and he left. Got in the car and he left. And I guess he forgot his phone. And he just came at me. Oh, sorry. I locked the front door. And so I guess he came through the back. I was in the kitchen, and he just came at me and choked me up against the freaking
fridge. The whole fridge moved, and I got scared, and I just told him, don't do that, like, don't do that. I was scared, and I was just yelling at him and screaming at him, and I was pissed, you know? And I said, don't do that again to me. Sorry, can I step over here? He walked out the door, and he came back in, and he did it again on the couch and choked me and told me to give it to him, give me his phone, and all I had to do was give him his phone and he would leave. And I told him, I don't know where your phone is, and if you do that again, I'm gonna... And then, I was looking around the house for his phone too, because I just wanted him to leave because it was upsetting the kids.
Testimonies from the husband and father exposed her actions, despite any attempts at justification. The undeniable reality, she was trying to flip the narrative, blaming them to portray herself as the victim.
He was minding his business, and I was telling him, can I use your phone? Like, he took my phone away, and he wouldn't give it back. Can I use your phone? And I was hitting the door, and finally he opened it, and he had his phone in his hand, and I was telling him, the kids are screaming. I had one baby in my hand, and he was like looking at me strange. He was looking at me strange and not responding, telling me basically like, no, you're not gonna call the cops. I'm like, why? Like, I'm scared, just do it, like, I'm scared. And he wouldn't give me his phone, and I was reaching for his phone, and we were pushing each other. We were pushing each other back and forth.
Who's we?
Me and my dad.
Okay.
Trying to get the phone, and all three of us were like pushing each other, trying to get the phone, and yeah.
Okay.
And then finally, this
is this your what's your
fiance?
Okay.
The father of my babies.
Okay. So when he came in the back, what happened?
I don't know how he got through the back. I don't know.
What happened after that?
He just ran up on me and choked me.
So he just ran up on you and choked you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I knew why. It was because I closed the doors because I was upset that he left, and I closed the doors. I knew he was going to get into the house. It's not locked in the back. He could go through the garage, whatever. I was just done. I was like, all right, whatever, leave, go fishing, whatever. But he was just wanted his phone, and I did not have it because I'm pregnant.
Okay.
That was, like, when we get into scuffles like that. Right over my neck, like, pulling each other, and
I don't.
on my neck.
Okay.
He just choked me against
Two
the
hands,
fridge.
one hand, right hand, left hand?
I think one.
Okay. Alright.
But I don't want nothing bad to
Okay.
him or my family. I just wanted it to stop. And I just couldn't believe that my dad was not calling you guys. Like, I did not understand because I was scared. It was like he was ignoring me, and I was like, why aren't you? Like, clearly it was out of control. Whatever the situation was way out of control, and I wanted to call because...
Okay.
Well, that's what happened. I don't know what to tell you.
Okay.
Like,
Your child was with you when you were getting the phone from your dad?
uh-huh.
What's your hand? Are you right-handed?
Yeah.
So is that scratch on your pinky from what? Top of your front hand? Towards your pinky.
Oh.
Oh. Right?
Yeah.
Is that from punching your dad?
Central 111, 105, Iris 10, 111, 105, Iris 10, respond emergency to 159 Australian Drive, 159 Australian Drive, on from Lantana Road for an
Do you
overdose.
have mental health issues?
No, I used to when I was a teenager.
So you're not having a mental health crisis?
That's what he was
You don't take
trying
any
to lie.
You don't take any medication. You're not diagnosed with anything.
No, I've just been pregnant for 3 years straight. Back to back to back. And I knew he was, that's why I always avoid any
Please be advised, there's going to be a 2-month-old child.
Being pregnant is not a valid excuse for violent behavior. Pregnancy does not grant the right to assault anyone. Just look at her hands and everything becomes clear.
What's wrong with me?
No, I'm asking you to evaluate your mental health status right now.
I did not want my dad to get hurt in all of this. It's horrible.
Put him in front. She's pregnant.
Wait, what? Wait. Why? I did not hurt anyone.
Well, here's the thing. You know when you started banging on the door and fighting with your dad and your
I
child?
was not fighting with him. I was knocking on the door asking for help.
Okay, you already told us you were pushing each other back and forth, right? You had your child.
I
That's
got
child
pushed.
endangerment.
No.
That's not what you said.
I got
That's
pushed.
not what you said.
I was reaching for the phone and I got pushed off.
We were all pushing each other. You have a child. You have a responsibility to protect that child.
You are right.
You know, and
That's why I'm waiting for you guys. You're right.
so you have your business like that.
So she's gonna check to make sure you don't got any weapons or anything on you.
Turn around.
Am I
Do you have
being
any
charged with
Turn around.
child endangerment?
Do you have any drugs or narcotics or any legal items?
No. I
Do me a
don't.
favor. Take a picture of her neck.
I was just trying to protect my
work phone on
kids.
me.
That's all I wanted.
Okay,
I'm
well
sorry.
we don't do that business while we're holding our kids.
I don't have my own.
I have
Let me.
one here.
I know.
That's why I told her not.
Hey, you wanna stand up? Let me get some pictures of you real quick.
Wait, give me a minute.
Okay.
Defiant responding to Australian Drive. To be no one under the influence. All
Listen, man,
parties still present.
it's not your fault, man. You know.
I know.
We can only do so
The
much.
tragedy concluded with the wife arrested, the husband carrying emotional scars, the father bleeding, and the child facing lasting consequences. What remained was only the weight of belated regret.
So, if you do the criminal, get your thing with the judge if he wants to pursue anything because it'd be battery over 65. Put her in the car.
Holding the baby
Put her in the car.
during all of
Put her in
this.
the car right now. In the car.
You can put her in mine.
Just tell him the whole story.
So just pretty much the domestic for him.
Against we'll get a waiver for the dad.
Yeah.
And then child endangerment for her having the child in her arms while she was engaged with the dad. She had the baby while she was dead.
Oh, hitting him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ultimately, the woman was taken into custody and charged with violence against her fiancé, assault on an elder, and endangering a child. She could have faced up to 5 years in prison and fines of up to $5,000. However, all charges were later dismissed in court. From homes fractured by tension to minor real-life incidents that topple every sense of order, the consequences of unchecked aggression are stark and unavoidable. On August 22, 2022, in Florida, a clinic notified officers about a person refusing to leave and continuously causing a disturbance. When law enforcement arrived promptly, the situation escalated more than expected.
Call?
Yes, that
What's
was
going
me
on?
that called.
Okay, what's going on?
Because this young lady right here will
Okay.
not leave the building, and she's been harassing the patients that was in here, and says that she's going to sit in the lobby until she sees the doctor, and the doctor has stated he cannot see her.
They asked you to
Okay,
leave?
I have appointment
Doesn't
with the
matter.
doctor.
This is a business.
Okay, I would like to talk to the doctor.
I can't. They don't have to. You don't have to see the doctor. I don't know if you're misunderstanding. Like the doctor has told his staff that.
No.
You missed your appointment. The
No, I'm
doctor.
not missing nothing.
I cannot explain it to you any other way. You have to leave. If you refuse to leave, then the law kicks in. It's a
I
privately
want
owned
to see your ID.
Okay.
Give me
You
your
need
card.
to walk outside.
No.
You need to walk outside. This is all being recorded on body cam. I've asked you for 10 minutes to walk outside. Please walk outside. You're not allowed to be here.
The suspect was identified as an older woman. She stubbornly refused to leave the clinic, insisting she would sit in the lobby until seen, despite having missed her previous appointment.
This is all being recorded. You violated the law 3 times. At this point, you have 3 different charges. You've resisted arrest by not listening to my commands. You have trespassed. How far do you want to take this?
Okay.
How far would you like
arrest
to take
me
this?
Because I going to the doctor.
I told
It's
you
a
to
woman,
leave.
No give me go to doctor.
It's a business.
It's not business. It's a look.
It
Primary
is
care,
a private
Cleveland
company.
Clinic.
Cleveland Clinic, Indian River Hospital is a private business.
I want cut all the one of you.
Okay, this is all being recorded, okay?
I want.
There's my name. If you'd like to write it down, you can write it down,
Yes,
okay?
give me pen. You can pen right down.
You have to provide your own pen.
I will let you borrow a pen.
Okay.
Michael Pierce.
P-I-E-R-C-E.
Type 4 Pierce. You can just request a video because it's all been recorded since I got here. That's the easiest way to do it. You can put it on Facebook or Instagram or anything else.
Zada, L-O-Z-A-D-A.
See if they want to trespass. You can ask them.
Yeah.
But you're not free to leave yet, okay? So you're not allowed to go anywhere.
Get her information for me. Here you go. Now you'll do the same for him, right?
Do you have a
Is that your notebook?
ID
What
card?
crime is denied to me? What crime I did?
So we're going to issue what's called a trespass warning.
If they want
If
one.
they want one.
Trespass warning. What
Therefore,
is trespass warning?
therefore, I'm asking for your identification so that I can fill out the paperwork.
Do you want her back here anymore?
We will have to speak to the doctor
Okay.
to see if he is saying yes or no.
Okay.
So yeah.
Telling you you have to leave.
I told her to leave twice and she
Now
refused.
becomes, listen to me. Listen to me.
She's not doing it.
Listen to me. Now it becomes criminal. If you refuse to give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. It's not a threat. It's just that's what's going to happen. So you can give me your ID. We can do the paperwork. You can walk away and leave, never come back. Or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Officers warned her that she had violated the law 3 times, explaining that this was a private business and they had the right to refuse service and ask her to leave. They emphasized she could face jail time if she continued to harass staff.
I'm going to let you decide what you want to do.
One more second, ma'am. I'm going to do this as nice as possible because I don't want to see you ruin your day. I don't know if you're familiar with the law, and I think you're confused about being a doctor. This is a business no different than Publix and the Chinese restaurant and the pizza place. They choose who they see. You made an appointment. They agreed to
No.
see. Finish.
No.
You don't let me finish.
They must took it any
Don't let me
patient.
finish.
You're not choosing who they
No,
see
that's
in
not
a
true.
hospital.
Absolutely not true. This is not a hospital. This is a business. This is a off-site medical care. If you go to the emergency room, they have to see you. This is not the emergency room, so let me finish. This is a business. They've asked you to leave. The minute you did not leave the lobby on their request, you broke the law of trespassing. Then the ugly guy in the suit shows up that has the law to tell you to leave. I told you to leave. You refused. I had to put my hand on your shoulder, which was recorded, and escort you gently out of the building. That act is called resisting arrest. You were given a lawful order to leave. You refused. Now you have 2 violations of the law. The third coming is he is telling you to produce your identification, which is a lawful command, and we have a right to do that. I do not want you to get in trouble. I'm trying to do everything possible to keep this to a peaceful resolution. They want to trust that?
Thank you.
They got to give it the doctor.
Is Cleveland Clinic, which is a national company that has hospitals all over the United States. He is not the owner.
I cannot talk to them.
They don't have to let you. That's like going to Publix and demanding the manager, and then he says, I don't want to talk to you.
If you go to public, the people doing something.
You don't have to, though.
I must talk to manager. It's a rules.
You're You're not. It's a private business. You're missing the point.
No.
You are. You have a right to talk to a boss here because that's a government entity. This is a private business. They do not have to produce the boss. The boss can say, tell her to leave. I don't want to ever see her again, and that's what they have the right to do. So you're misunderstood slightly about how the would look into the Cleveland Clinic company, go online, and get a supervisor of the business or a complaint.
So what are you doing it? Then you give me the doctor.
You would maybe give you a different doctor. Yes, send you to another location.
Okay, give me doctor now.
But I can't do that here. This is
No, why am I supposed to see different doctor? I won't see this one. It's my doctor. I see him for 2 years.
It doesn't sound like he wants. I don't know that he wants to see you anymore.
Okay, go ask him. Call.
That's what they're doing. They're asking him. They're asking him if he wants to see you.
First of all, doctor cannot.
A simple solution would have been rescheduling her appointment, yet she chose a path that only made matters worse. Perhaps this stems from the philosophy of the customer is always right.
Form. Yeah, we're gonna have a form, and basically we just need him to sign it, and that'll explain that she's not allowed to come back. She gets a copy, you get a copy, and then you guys can keep one and file it with your business. I would just ask that he's the one that signs it. We're gonna fill the paper out, and your doctor is going to sign the paper that indicates that you're trespassed and not allowed to come back here, and you will get a copy of that to take to whoever you like.
I have appointment. I invited.
Okay. If you're going to listen to me, I'll explain it to you one more time.
Trespassing.
At the
invited.
You were invited, and then they told you to leave, and you refused. The statute says once your invitation has been revoked, you must immediately exit the premises, which you did not. And when I told you to leave, you did not. You refused. That's
She's
suspect.
saying me waiting on all appointments finished. You're
But
waiting.
then I came
people
and told
leave,
you to
and
leave.
I call after. Why? Do you can control what doctor I go in? You call to me and make me leave out of doctor office?
They have a right to do that.
Who?
The business. You're looking at this.
Doctor never know what I'm here.
He did. He signed the paper. He doesn't want you here. The doctor.
Show me paper.
You're gonna have it here shortly.
You're gonna get a copy of it.
Doctor, no, it's unusual. You know, if doctor no one see me, I have appointment, I can sue him. You know this?
Well, and that's perfectly fine. You can certainly
It's
try.
perfectly fine.
Sure.
But that's not a law enforcement thing. We don't do we don't do lawsuits on there as well because you broke the law several times. So that's not corruption.
I misunderstood what she was doing.
She said that we were,
perfectly.
we're all
She
corrupt.
understood perfectly.
Oh,
Maybe you something
we're
not
corrupt.
understood. He does.
We're corrupt. Okay.
You are. You going to the doctor office and pushing me out.
I didn't push you out.
Sometimes they make me think what is criminal in around doctor.
Ma'am, may I
And these people too. I won't know her name.
may I interrupt for a second?
Yeah, go give me her name. It's my right.
Okay.
This
give you
woman
what?
at the lobby.
I'm sorry.
Name this woman at the lobby.
Okay. Let me explain what was going to happen to you.
You do this too. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I can explain what happened to you. You will be both on a federal prison.
Officers explained everything thoroughly, reiterating that she had multiple violations, yet the suspect seemed to place herself above the law, ignoring all efforts to prevent her arrest.
I understand it now. That's what you wanted for my son.
Okay, you don't have to sign it. You're still trespassed from here. If you come back, you go to jail. There you are. You're free to leave.
You actually have to leave, so
You have to
you
leave.
need to leave.
You don't leave.
I have to leave.
Yes.
You don't leave, you're going to jail.
Yes.
This is like your last and final warning. Okay?
I know all of this. I have want name
need to leave.
this woman and I sue her for this what she doing to me now. It's my right. You cannot give me go inside, but you must go inside.
No, I do not have to do that. No, I don't have to do that. No, I don't.
No, it's my right.
That's not important right now.
Hire your attorney.
No.
Hire an attorney and sue them. No, you can hire an attorney.
Call Cleveland Clinic.
No. Oh, she hasn't gone inside yet, so I'm gonna give her the
I'm gonna
benefit.
wait for her. I'm gonna wait for him to show up.
She hasn't gone inside yet.
Okay, go into the woman.
We are not going inside to get her name. It's not your right.
Okay, you go. Yeah, it's my right.
No, it's not.
I know my right.
No, you
And
don't.
United States
You don't know the law.
Okay, how about I call 911 and say what you doing?
We are 911, so there you go. You call 911 for that. You call 911 for that. You'll be abusing 911. You'll go to jail.
I be abusing 911
Correct.
and go to jail.
Yep.
I'm telling you right now, the best thing for you to do is get in your car and go home, or go up to Cleveland Clinic ER. That's what I'm telling you. I beg, Olga.
I have all your
Good.
names.
I understand that. I get it. Olga, please go. Please go home.
You need to leave.
Please go home. Just go home.
I want names this woman.
Absolutely not.
Cleveland Clinic will give them to you.
I not sign it.
Okay.
I not signed it, you paper. You actually physically not give me go
Touch
to
me,
the
you're going to jail. This has gone far enough. Let's take her. That's it. Yep.
Okay, I sue you.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
You're going to 15.
Going to jail.
You're going to jail.
You have been given every right to not go to jail.
Don't resist me.
Anyone who says, "I know my rights" to officers often doesn't truly understand them. She was given a chance, but she returned to threaten, disregarding advice to go home, and was ultimately taken into custody.
Honey, let go of it.
That's worse than it really is.
You're hurting me.
I know. Everything's on video. Don't worry about it.
That's what we didn't want to do.
Under
Okay?
arrest.
You're under arrest now. You can go to jail.
Give my bag.
Stop moving.
Be still.
All right, come on.
Uncalled for.
In the end, the suspect was arrested for trespassing and resisting arrest without violence. She could face up to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine, though probation might be an option. From domestic violence to disruptive behavior in public or at medical facilities, we see the clear consequences of lack of control and awareness. Always value safety, respect others, and act responsibly. Follow and like to see more stories, and share your thoughts below. We'll reflect on these lessons together.